ನಂದೆ ಕೊಂಚ ನಂದೆ
Super, thank you. Okay, good night. Bye, sir. Okay.
Coimbatore is not a part of my inspection, so I have not seen the station. As far as the railway is concerned, for passenger amenities, that is the platform shelters, platforms, other amenities on the station, this year we will be spending about 125 crores compared to about 67 crores that we have been spending in the last 2-3 years. So there is about 100% increase in the funds for the passenger amenities area, and it will be going towards improving the passenger amenities at various stations, providing lifts, escalators, shelters, improving the surfaces, waiting halls and circulating areas. Okay. Any specific question you have, you can ask me.
What was your inspection in Palakkad division today, sir? In regard to the ongoing projects?
Yeah, we reviewed the ongoing project, we reviewed whatever passenger amenities items are there and what are the requests which the people have given us. We'll have a look at that.
The recent rains in Tamil Nadu in southern and northern districts, what had been the extent of damage caused to railway properties in terms of tracks and rolling stock?
No, as far as the services are concerned, we had to cancel services between Egmore and Chennai Central for about 4 days. There were no services. And we had some services, skeleton services from Chennai Beach Station to various stations like Bangalore, Vijayawada, Calcutta, specials we ran. And we refunded reserve tickets worth about 30 crores. And maybe still more would have been coming because we extended the period of refund to another 10 days. And as regards other rolling stock, except for about 30-40 coaches and 7-8 locos which were submerged in water, which have to be inspected, there is no major damage. Some damage was there on the track, about 1 kilometer track was washed out. So that was restored in about 1 day's time, that's it.
How will you quantify the loss caused by the rains?
Maybe overall it would be about say 100 crores, including the total refund and the passenger earnings that we lost.
Sir, what happened to the project, sir? Because last 2 days back you spoke media persons, you will finish only in 2017. Why it taking so much of time?
No, work is going on, but work is going on at good pace, and next year will be completing it.
Okay. Sir, as far as Potanur-Pollachi was concerned, initially land acquisition proved to be a problem, and subsequently we waited for funds. Hopefully both the issues have been resolved, and now you're putting it on scale.
There's no problem of money, and only thing, works are of difficult nature, so they will take their own time. But next year definitely will be commissioning.
I mean March 2016, or you mean 17?
No, 16, 17.
Why it will take so much of 1 year gap, sir? Almost 7 kilometers.
To complete the work, it takes time. There are not cutting and all this will be work.
Because only 7 kilometer work is pending, I think.
It is in a rocky area.
So getting back to the finances, the previous year's budgetary allocation proved to be very insufficient for entire Indian Railways, and so was the case of Southern Railway. And you did make a mention that it was sufficient enough this year.
Yeah.
How do you expect the gauge conversion doubling works to pick up as far as this year is concerned?
No, in the coming this year and next year we will be doing about 260.
So we have last 5 years we were doing the commissioning at the rate of 200 kilometers per year. Now this financial year and next financial year we will be doing at the rate of 325 kilometers per year.
So against average 250 kilometers that we are doing in the previous years,
200.
200, now 325.
we'll be 325.
Delivery will increase in this year and next year.
This is new line or Gajka?
Everything.
All put together.
All put together.
New track, addition of new track.
And where does Southern Railway stand in terms of loco and coach availability, sir? Do we have a shortage? Because there has been a persistent demand for new trains, which we have not been able to cater
No,
to.
persistent demand for new trains may be there, but then the demands also have to cater for whether we are having enough line capacity to run those additional services. So already we are at 100% plus, so no additional services can be run, even if we have stock.
But as such, loco availability and brakes availability, how are we placed when compared to the other zones, sir?
No, we are quite okay, there is no problem. In fact, locos are surplus and coach also there is no issue, but line capacity is the issue.
And there has been demands for operation of new trains from Coimbatore to Bangalore, and increase in frequency of the Coimbatore Rameshwaram, which is now being operated using the ideal rakes of Coimbatore Rajkot. Will there be any effort made to concede at least these two major demands, which have been pending for about at least a decade now?
Between Coimbatore to Bangalore, I think there is a actually it is between Southwestern and Southern Railway. So we can run regular services depending on whether Bangalore can accept those trains. Because they have to accept those trains, platforms should be available and services should be available. So that is one issue. Another is the line capacity constraint between here to there. And we have been running some special trains depending on the specific requirement for a particular period.
And this increase in frequency of Coimbatore Rameshwaram, sir, it is only a weekly now. The Western Tamil Nadu stands severed with the Southern Tamil Nadu. Will there be an increase in frequency, if not at least a daily train?
I'll have to look at it.
Unmanned LCs, sir. How do you propose to go about eliminating unmanned LCs, sir? And how much do we have right now, sir?
Unmanned LCs we are eliminating by providing limited height subway, by providing ROBs, or by providing adjacent subways wherever the next subway or ROB is close by. So that is how we propose, and in next about 2 years we target to eliminate all the
Unmanned LCs. Sir, how many can you quantify? How many do we have right now, sir? Unmanned LCs. Do not exact, approximately speaking.
7,500 manned and unmanned put together.
But unmanned is about 700. There are 500 plus, I think around 700 range.
Energy conservation awards are conducted. We got this year first award.
Yeah.
The Indian Southern Railway or
Southern
the
Railway got the first award.
energy efficiency award.
Where are the specific
How had been our earnings so far, sir?
Earnings on the good side have been comparative to last year quite low, about say you can say 15% or so less.
15%, 1.5.
Yeah.
Passenger earnings
Passenger earnings are okay, in fact they are marginally up.
marginally up.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks a lot. Thank you very much.